morning, children. In this video, I'll be dealing with a new topic, that is complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, so these are the type of angle based on a property. Okay, so complementary angle possesses some property and supplementary angles possesses some property. Okay, so let us learn first what is a complementary angle. Okay, so suppose I have an angle, say this is an angle which is equal to 30 degree, and say I have another angle which measures 60 degree. Okay, so if I have two angles in such a way that its sum, when we add these two, then their measure is equals to 90 degree, then these two angles are termed as complementary angle. Okay, so complementary angle is the two angles, that is complementary angle, its definition. Okay, so if sum of measures of two angle equals to 90 degree, then these two angles, then the two angles are called complementary angles. Okay, so if the measures of the two angles is equal to 90 degree, if two angles sum is equal to 90 degree, then both the angles, the two angles, are named as complementary angle. Okay, so in this complementary angle, we'll have one type of question wherein it says find the complementary angle of a given angle. Suppose I have the given angle is 40 degree, find its complement. Okay, we can either say it's a complement or find its complement or complementary angle. It can be anything. Okay, so when we have this type of question wherein one angle is given and we need to find another angle, okay, that is another complementary angle, then we do it this way. Okay, we do not know what the other angle is, so we assume it to be, let the angle be x. Okay, so we are assuming this angle to be x. Since the angles are complementary, okay, so its sum will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, so the angles are complementary, so the sum, first angle is 40 degree, another angle I'm assuming it to be x, so its sum is equals to 90 degree. So from here we get the value of x, that is equals to 90 degree minus 40 degree, that is equals to 50 degree. So the complementary angle of given angle, this is the given angle, so the complementary angle of the given angle is how much? 50 degree. Okay, so with this example we can get one conclusion. I want all of you to note this down. Okay, so you can write complementary angle equals to 90 degree minus given angle. Okay, so this is the formula. I want all of you to remember this. Okay, so this is how we can find the complementary angle of the given angle. Okay, now we have another type of angle which is supplementary angle. Okay, so this is also based on the property of the angle. So if two angle measures 180 degree, okay, in complementary it was the measurements would be equal to 90 degree, and here in supplementary the measurement of sum of two angles will be equals to 180 degree. Okay, so that time we name this angle as supplementary angle. Okay, so we can define supplementary angles as is if sum of measures of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then remember always we are talking about two angles. Okay, then the two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, so for example I have an angle, say 130 degree, and I have another angle, say 50 degree, then the sum of this two angle is equals to 180 degree. So in that case, these two angles are supplementary angles. Okay. So same way here also, we have a formula to find what is the supplementary angle of a given angle. Suppose I say find supplement and supplementary angle are same thing. Okay, find supplement of say 110 degree. Okay, so the time we start by assuming the supplement to be x. So we write let the supplement be x. Since supplementary angle sum measures 180 degrees, so this two angles sum will be equals to 180 degrees, right? That is according to the definition of supplementary angles. So from here we can get the value of x. So this is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So that will be equals to 70 degrees. So we have got the supplementary angle of this given angle. Okay. So we can conclude one formula from here as we did for the complementary angle. So we can write supplementary angle. Supplementary angle of given angle will be equals to 180 degree minus given angle. Okay, so this is the formula. So this is all about complementary angle and supplementary angle. So complementary angle is any two angle whose sum measures any two angle whose sum measures 90 degree, then the two angles are named complementary. Any two angles whose measure sums 180 degree, then they are named as supplementary angles. Okay. In the next video, I'll be dealing with few more questions based on complementary and supplementary angles. Okay. Thank you.